To change time and date on a keypad for an Orisec CP20 alarm system. Firstly, enter your master code on the keypad. You'll be presented with a menu. Scroll down using the arrow on the keypad until you get to change settings. And press the enter or tick button on the keypad. The display will then show you the settings menu. The first option on the menu is set time and date. Press enter to select. Use the up and down arrows to navigate through the time and date options. To change the time or date values, you can either use the arrows or write in the time and date using the keypad instead. Once you're happy with the new time and date, press the back button until exit menu is on the display and highlighted. Lastly, press the enter or tick button to leave the menu.